Yo guys, I'm HP, this is Dr. Pink. Today's topic is the theme of Peter Gunn, composed by Henri Mancini, a really popular composer back in the 60s. Was the guy who wrote the Pink Panther theme. But today we're going to talk about Peter Gunn, which is also very cool theme. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button, and also join the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. So, how does this thing sound? You probably know it. And so on. We're going to check out the guitar, the theme, and also at the end a few ideas how to improvise over this tune, since there's also a version by the Blues Brothers where there's a lot of improvisation. But I wanted to refer to the original, but still going the Blues Brothers way, you know, a way to improvise with this tune, because it's really fun and is one of the tunes which I always used to love. So first thing we need to know, how do we create this 60s sound? Dr. Pink is not the right guitar for that. There I need single coils. All these themes from the movies, they mostly play with guitars with single coils and whammy bar. Well, it's not really a whammy bar. It's kind of a thing you can move, and the tone went down. But still we can simulate the 60s sound. This is a Fender amp with a medium spring reverb, like on 20-30%. And plus, I didn't exaggerate it so much, a very short delay on it. To make this blurry, reverby and retro analog sound, which was really common in the 60s. I could exaggerate the reverb even more, but we want to keep it a little bit from the point of view from today's. So let's get started now. Okay, the original guitar part is in F. It's really simple. It's a palm muted thing here with 0, 0, 2, 0, 1, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 6, 4. Played with palm muted, and it's on 100 BPM, 8 notes, so da, 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 da. That's the thing which repeats itself all the time. But when you listen carefully, there's something more in it, and that is a little bit tricky. I mean, if you can do it this way, it's already cool. The Blues Brother version, by the way, is in E. I mean, you can play it in E. Then you don't have the problem with, the original is in F. So now how we do this one here. There's a little hammer on here, either on from 3 to 1 or at least from 4 to 1. So you make a slight pull off. That's what it's done. Really a cool riff, and it's a little bit tricky, but it's possible. I mean, just keep it going here, and if nothing helps, then you can do if you want to play the original, put the capo here, and then you have open strings. If you don't get it without, probably the original was played with open strings. I don't know, honestly. I'm not a fan of the capo, but it's also a possibility. Now let's see the theme, which is played by the horn section. It's this one here. I'll show you. I'm first gonna play it through. So that's the horn section which plays that. What are we playing here? Since this is a blues type thing here, it's a blues in F basically, and it's seen as F7, you know, but it's mixing up the minor pentatonics of the F, the blues scale. And by the way, Henri Mancini, he used the blue note a lot also in the Pink Panther. Blue note, here we have the same, we start here. Second time, it moved direct to the blue note. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2. This comes on 4 and 1, 2, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 4, 1, same thing. But now here we have the blue note here, the 12th fret go back to the F. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and now comes a selection of quarter triplets. It opens here on count 1 and 2, and it comes on 1 and 2, and now comes a whole section of quarter triplets. What are quarter triplets? These are 3 notes per 2 beats. So we have 1, so ga ga ga. So I'll show you with the beat here. Ga 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 ga. These are quarter triplets. If you want to make them really precise, you can think it this way. So you have this tempo. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1. These are triplets, okay? 3 per beat. If you want to make quarter triplets, you stick together 2 of the triplets. So if you count 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, say 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So you have the first comes on triplet number 1, the second one comes on triplet number 3, and the third one comes on triplet number 2 in the second section. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. If you can count and play them this way, then you're perfect on quarter triplets. Now we have a whole section with quarter triplets. We have we have four units of quarter triplets. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And then we go down here. So that's how the whole thing is played. I'll show you the whole thing here. And the second time you add this as well. And then the horn section makes kind of stuff, okay? And that's basically the theme of the song. Play with trumpets, but as I said, you can play it with guitar. Now if you want to somehow repeat the horn section a little bit, what it's doing. We have something like this here, 3, 5, and then 5, 6. Slide up. This is basically this is the triad, the seventh of, and the triad. You call these guide tones of E7. Slide up to F7. Sounds quite cool. You can work something with chords. Go here on the guide tones, also F9. Here 7, 8, 8, 8. And then you can work around stuff, mix it up with pentatonics or whatever, and try to get the vibe of the horns. I would go for that. Stuff like that really works. It's cool, and I would keep it, you know, kind of slow to the horn section, or you can do whatever you want. Of course, it's just an idea what you can do here on this really cool tune. I mean, the theme is not really hard to play. This other thing also on the improvisation is a lot of fun. All right, guys, that was Peter Gunn, composed by Henri Mancini. Great theme. So much more to say. If you want to download this cool back tune, I produced it. I played the piano and everything, plus the tabs of what I explained. Well, not the soloing, but the theme and the rhythm guitar. It's available in the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. If you love my channel, please share it to all your friends. I had a kebab for lunch. You just blop. Yeah, share it to all your friends and support the channel either with a subscription or buy a t-shirt or just share the word. However, and then more tutorials can come. Also more film music. I really love film music and I would love to do more. It's always quite time consuming. This tune not so much, but the big movie themes, they are quite time consuming. Yo, me and Dr. Pink are saying goodbye for today. Bye.